This is one of the latest laptops from Lenovo's IdeaPad Slim family, featuring a 16-inch WUXGA display. It boasts a slim profile of just 16.9 mm and weighs only 1.8 kg, making it highly portable. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 5 125H processor, it comes with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 512 GB SSD, offering ample performance and storage for most users. The design highlights a durable brushed aluminum body in silver. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and provides up to 10 hours of battery life. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including HDMI, 2 USB-A ports, a headphone jack, a card slot, and 2 USB-C ports. One of the USB-C ports supports rapid charge boost technology, providing 2 hours of use with just a 15-minute charge.